In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect XM to Metatrader 5 quickly and easily. Whether you're setting up a brand new demo account for practice or you want to connect your real trading account without running into errors, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, make sure you're signed in at my.xm.com. Once you're inside your dashboard, go ahead and open your account section at the top. Over here, you can choose whether you want to create a real account or a demo account. For this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process using a demo account, but don't worry, the steps are exactly the same for a real account too. Next, click on Demo, and then select Create a new demo account so we can start from the very beginning. When the platform choice appears, make sure you select MT5. This is extremely important. After that, click Continue. Choose your account type such as Ultra Low Standard, and then Continue again. Set your leverage, give your account a simple name like Tutorial or anything you prefer, and then press Continue one more time. Now set your trading password, confirm it, and click Complete. To make the process smoother, here's a quick tip. As soon as your account is created, look for the small menu button near the top and click on Manage, then select Account Information. This section shows two very important details: your MT5 ID and your server name. These two items are required to log in successfully on Metatrader 5. You will also receive the same information in your email, so check your inbox if you prefer copying it from there. Once you have your credentials ready, open your Metatrader 5 platform. Over here, click File in the top left, then choose Open an Account. Now paste the server name, such as xm.com-mt5, into the search box and click Find Your Company. MT5 will detect the correct XM server, so just click on it and press Next. After that, choose Connect to an existing trade account. Now enter your MT5 ID, type in the password you created just a moment ago, and make sure the server selected matches exactly what XM provided you. Once everything looks good, click Finish, and within a few seconds, your XM account will connect successfully to Metatrader 5. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to connect your XM account to MT5 smoothly, safely, and without any confusion. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be setting up their accounts. Why not make someone's day easier?